Example number 2. Let me read the problem. Aspirin is a compound with the molecular formula of C9H8O4. What is its percent composition? So we discussed from our previous video how to calculate the percentage composition of a compound with a given chemical formula. So this time may chemical formula tayo dito, wala tayong given mass. So all we have to do is to get the number of the molecules of each element and multiply it with the atomic weight or mass that can be seen in the periodic table. And also, the second one, we need to get the total molar mass or molecular mass or formula mass of the compound, which is aspirin. So what will be our solution? To calculate the percent composition, we need to know the masses of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in a known mass of C9H8O4. It is convenient to consider in 1 mole of aspirin or C9H8O4 and use its molar mass 180.160 gram per mole determined from the chemical formula. So I know that you already know how to get this molecular mass, formula mass, or molar mass of aspirin. So all you have to do is to multiply the number of molecules of each element with its atomic mass, and then after multiplying it and after getting the product, you will get the summation of all the molar masses of the compound. Molar mass ng carbon plus the molar mass of hydrogen plus the molar mass of oxygen. So we will get the 180.160 gram per mole. So ito, I know that you already know how to calculate that. So now let's proceed with the percentage composition of each element. So percentage composition of carbon. So as you can see, we have 9 molecules of carbon from the chemical formula. And the C9. So we will multiply it with the molar mass of carbon. So the molar mass of the carbon that we are pertaining to here is the atomic mass or weight that can be seen in the periodic table, divided by with the molar mass of aspirin C9H8O4. So just kindly correct the chemical formula here in the module. So kindly remove the 1. So it's typographical error. Multiplied by 100. So we have now the applied values, numerical values or values. So we have 9 moles of carbon multiplied by the 12.011 gram per mole of carbon. So this is, we get this from the periodic table. The atomic weight or the atomic mass. Divided by, so ito given na yan, we already solved it, 180.160. So, dito may typographical error lang. So, we will use the 180.160 gram per mole multiplied by 100. So, we have, dito na-correct naman siya sa pangalawa. So, 108.099 gram per mole divided by 180.160 gram per mole multiplied by 100. So, the percentage composition of carbon is 60.002%. So, as I said from the previous video, we need to include all the values that is seen in the periodic table for the atomic weight. So, dito, hindi natin na-round off into decimal places kasi magkakaroon ng discrepancy once we get the summation of the percentage composition of the compound. So, it should be 100%. So, for the percentage of hydrogen, so from the chemical formula, there is 8 molecules. When we multiply it with the molar mass of hydrogen, so the molar mass that we are pertaining to here is the atomic weight or the atomic mass that can be seen in the periodic table divided by with the molar mass of C9H804. So again, just kindly remove the 1 here in hydrogen. It should be H8. So typographical error times 100. So is equal to, so applying it with the numerical values. So we have 8 times with 1.00794 gram per mole of carbon. So we will get 8.06352 gram per mole divided by with the total molar mass or molecular mass of the aspirin, 180.160 gram per mole. So, dito, na-correct naman siya dito sa kabila. So, 180.160 gram per mole. Times 100%, So the percentage composition of hydrogen is 4.47575%. Yan. And last one, for the last element, we have percentage composition of oxygen. So from the chemical compound, there is 4 molecules of oxygen. So we bring it down, multiplied with the molar mass of oxygen. So that is the atomic mass or the atomic weight that can be seen in the periodic table, divided by with the molar mass or molecular mass or formula mass of aspirin, which is C9H804. Again, remove the 1 here times 100. So we have here the applied values. So same way of solving carbon and hydrogen. So yan, na-solve natin. 63.997 gram per mole divided by 180.160 gram per mole. So dito, it should be 160.160. Na-correct naman siya dito sa dulo. Kaya nakuha naman natin yung tamang answer or final answer. Percentage composition of oxygen is 35.5226%. So if we're going to get the summation of all the percentage composition of each element in aspirin, so 60.002%. So let's add this using a scientific calculator. So ito, na-solve na pala. So we will get 100%. So rounded off into 2 decimal places, 100% siya. So note that these percentages sum to equal 100.00% when approximately rounded. So sabi ko nga sa inyo, kopyahin natin ang lahat ng numerical values in the atomic weight kasi magkakaroon siya ng discrepancy kapag ni-round off natin. So possible na mag-101, 102, or pinakamataas na siguro yung 102%. So, kailangan isakto natin ng 100%. So, test yourself to 3 significant digits. What is the mass percentage of iron in the compound? So, same way of solving. So, we have 2 elements here, iron and oxygen. So, paano natin siya isosolve? So, percentage composition of iron. So, count the number of molecules of iron. So, it's 2. And then, multiplied it with the atomic mass of iron divided by with the molar mass of iron 3. Iron 3 oxide. Ayan, iron 3 oxide. Kasi crisscross process to. Ayan. And then, once you get the product of the number of molecules multiplied with its atomic mass divided by the molar mass of iron 3 oxide, so we will get a total of 69.9% of iron. Ayan. So, kung gusto natin makuha yung percentage composition ng oxygen, obviously, mas madali itong mahanap kasi dalawa lang sila. All we have to do is subtract 69.9% from the 100%, and that will be the total percentage composition of oxygen. Yun ay madali kapag dalawa lang ang elements natin. Pero kapag tatluhan, we really need to compute the percentage composition by multiplying the number of molecules of each element with its atomic weight or atomic mass divided by with the molar mass. Okay.